I'm watching you.
Slow down on the gas, slow down on the gas.
Kenady driving.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Drive, Kenady. Stay on the road. You're done, you're moving.
Oh, you made a checkpoint. All right.
We can stay off the sidewalks.
Made 2 checkpoints. That's impressive. Oh, you're scared? Why are you scared?
There's another checkpoint. Over the wall.
Oh, we're flying.
Another checkpoint. Another checkpoint.
Oh, she's dialing the phone. Are you calling the phone? Another one?
Kenady, watch where you're going. Hey, would you stop dialing and drive? You're not supposed to text and drive. Especially in a race car.
Hey, you're in 5th place. You're not in last. All right.
Checkpoint.
Oh, you made it. 9 seconds left. 8. Oh.
Oh, that was a bad crash.
What do you think? How did you do?
You got 4th place, Kenady.
Good job, Mommy.